Hey everybody, today I am working on a 12 by 16 canvas and I already have my paint down on the canvas and it is from my bottle and it's unbleached titanium. And I'm just going to be doing some puddle pours today, and the colors that I will be using, I've got this one here and it's from FolkArt, it's Eggplant. And I put in some iridescent medium in there. I don't know if you can see. It's a little glittery, sparkly. And then this one here is a color that I mixed together with blue and green, and then I put some iridescent medium in that one as well. And this color here is from FolkArt, and it is metallic taupe. And that's all I've got. So actually I have a little bit of black I might use. That's Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. And I put a drop or two of 3-in-1 silicone in all the colors except the titanium. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Alright, now I'm going to go over it with my torch, pop any air bubbles, and then see if anything else pops up. Alright, I will take you in for the close-up. There are just tons of cells all over. I love these purple cells. They're so cool. I mean, I love purple anyway, but... And all my paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, floetrol, and water. And I use more Liquitex in my mix. That's just my preference. I just like the way it looks with more Liquitex in there. And there's not as many cells on this side, and I thought about running it off some more, but I love this purple color, so I didn't want to lose all that. So anyway, it still turned out amazing. I love this. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.